All right, Calc BC kids, this is the last video in our unit on integration techniques. Long division. Long division is used when the order of the numerator is either greater than or equal to the order of the denominator. So pause the video, copy that down, and copy down example 1. Okay, let's make sure you guys remember long division. You know you have to put a placeholder sometimes. No placeholder here. DMSB. My non-politically correct generation was taught that as dumb monkeys smell bad. So I divide x squared into 2x cubed. I get 2x. That's for divide. Then I multiply 2x times the trinomial x squared minus 2x minus 3. I distribute that. So this is the m for multiply. Then I have to subtract this entire polynomial. So this cancels, and I have negative x minus negative 6x. That's 5x. Okay, bring down the next number. And you can't divide x squared into 5x. So this is your remainder. So it's 2x plus the remainder over the divisor. X squared minus 2x minus 3. So this integral here gets replaced with the integral 2x plus the integral 5x minus 3 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now, we already used partial fraction decomposition in the previous video, so I'm not going to redo this part. And you already know that the antiderivative of 2x is x squared. Okay? So, let's take a look at another example. So after you do the long division, there may be other techniques that you've previously learned that could be involved. X cubed over x squared plus 4. Okay, so the numerator is, the order is higher than the denominator. So I have x cubed divided by x squared plus 4. I get x. I multiply by x. So I get x cubed plus 4x. So I have to subtract this. So I end up getting negative 4x, and that's my remainder. So I put my remainder over my divisor. So this integral becomes the integral of x dx minus the integral of 4x over x squared plus 4 dx. Then you would have to do a u sub to do this integral here. So you'd have u equals x squared plus 4. du is 2x dx. So I can take this 4x and make it 2 times 2x. So I get the integral of x dx minus 2 times the integral of du over u. And you should be able to finish that problem up from there. Okay, so copy down the setup of these problems and then come back and get started. Okay, so I'm dividing x minus 1 into x squared plus 0x plus 0. So I get an x. I multiply by x. Well, that gives me x squared minus x. Subtract this. I end up just getting x. Bring down my next number, 0. Okay, x goes into x 1 times. Multiply by 1. So I get positive 1 as my remainder. So this is just the integral of x plus 1 dx plus dx over x minus 1. And so that just ends up being x squared over 2 plus x plus ln, absolute value, x minus 1 plus c. Okay, in the last problem, the powers of the numerator and the denominator, the orders are equal. So I set it up so that goes in just one time. I multiply by 1. I subtract this. Okay, so I end up just getting -1. So that's my remainder over my divisor. So this becomes the integral of 1 dx minus the integral of dx over x squared plus 1. So that's just x, and as you know, this is arc tan x plus c. Okay, that concludes all the techniques. So if you go back to the beginning, you have a hierarchy. First try your basic, you have your basic integral that you don't have to do anything for. Then you have algebra, you have your trig, including all your rules, your double angle formulas, your identities, your power reducing formulas. Then you have u sub. And then if u sub does not do the trick, then you have integration by parts. If that does not work, so you use that when you primarily have a product, right? But you don't have a u sub. And you have your special cases like arctan, ln x. Those are examples of this. Then you have your partial fraction decomposition. Okay, you're going to use that when the order of the numerator is less than the order of denominator. And there's no other technique you can use. And then last, we have long division. Okay, don't forget that along with this, we did do inverse trig integrals. Okay, it was not an integration technique. It was all algebra. That's considered all algebra and trig and some u sub. And for that, we just had to make sure that we completed the square. Okay, long division, order of the numerator is greater than or equal to the order of the denominator. Okay, that concludes Unit 2. Thank you, guys.